How to set up iPhone for seniors. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple mode on iPhone that you can set up especially for like elderly peoples. Okay, so it is called the senior mode. Okay, so your iPhone has this senior mode which you can like activate for elderly peoples or like senior people. So I'm going to show you what is it. So firstly, like what is this senior mode? So what is it actually? So let me just give you a brief overview of this senior mode. This senior mode is actually like it's like a small adjustment in like a settings or in a mode that you can activate, that can improve the visibility or the accessibility or the simplicity of these iPhones. So you can use it to you can set it up in order to improve in these areas. Yes, so in senior mode, typically a senior mode includes like larger text and icons. So you have like larger text and icons, and you also have like zoomed display because sometimes the screen as it is might be like a bit smaller. So you have like a zoomed display, so that makes the icons and buttons appear larger on the like especially on the home screen. Okay, and apart from the larger text and icons, so next you can see like there will be like a simplified home screen. So like which means like you will remove like unnecessary apps and keep only the essentials, like for example like phone app, the message app, camera app, something that's like important only. And you place most of the most used apps on the first screen itself. So whatever that you use the often, it will be on the first screen itself here. So that's we can do that there. And also you can use voice control or Siri. So you can enable like Hey Siri for hands-free use, or you can like set up voice control as well for easy access. You can do that. Okay, and you have the option for touch accommodations, which means that you can customize how the screen responds to like touches. Okay, and it's especially useful for like shaky hands, those type of people. It will be easy. And you have this assistive touch, which means like it will be like an on-screen like a floating button to help navigate the phone without using like the physical buttons. Okay, and also you can set up like emergency features, in the sense like like a medical number or SOS numbers for that, for emergency you can do that. And apart from that, you also have this hearing and vision assistance where you can set it up for people who need such requirements. Okay, so these are the features that's available on the senior mode that you can set it up on your iPhone. So now what we need to do in order to set it up on this iPhone, I'm going to show you. Firstly, you need to have an iOS that's 17 and above for that. So to check that on your iPhone, so go to settings on your iPhone. So once you are on the settings on your iPhone here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on general option here. So you're going to like select the general option here. So tap on the general option, and here you will see there is a software update option here. So click on the software update. So here you make sure that your iOS is 17 or more than that. So if you have an update here, you can check your iOS here, and then if you have an update, just update it. Click on update and update it to the iOS 17 or more, because that is a pre-requirement for these to enable the senior mode. Okay, so you can just do that. So once you have enabled that, and that's fine. So now I will show you how to enable or activate the senior mode. Okay, to do that, again, you're going to go to the settings on your iPhone. So go to the settings on your iPhone here, on your settings here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and scroll down, and then go to this accessibility here. So tap on the accessibility, and from this accessibility here, so what you're going to do is you're going to like scroll down again, all the way down again, and you will see, okay, this option here which says assistive access. Okay, the assistive access, which is actually the senior mode. So what you're going to do is simply like tap on it. Okay, and you will get to this screen here. Okay, so in this screen here, this is the screen where we're going to set up the assistive access or the senior mode here. So what you're going to do is tap on the setup assistive access option here. So just tap that on. So when you tap that on, this will get to you to the screen here where you're going to like set up the assistive access, which means the configuration of senior mode. Okay, we're going to start doing that. So what we're going to do, click on continue. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the continue option. So click on continue, and then this one, okay, it's going to ask you for which Apple ID is this associated with. So you can set it, for the Apple ID that's you've already been logged in, if that's the person who's going to use this senior mode, or else you can change the Apple account. You can tap on the change Apple account and then input or log into the log in with the Apple account of the elderly person who will be using this mode. So in this case, I will just use with whatever that's currently logged in. Okay, so I will just use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on like continue. Okay, so click on continue, and then you'll get to the screen here. So here, appearance. So how do you want the appearance? Whether you want as rows or as a grid, you can just choose that how you want the apps and icons to. So in this case, I will just leave it as grid. That's fine. Okay, you can change it if you want to. So hit on the continue option here. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to set up the apps that you most need or that you only want it to be available. So for example here, select the apps that you want. So the important ones, for example, calls. So if you see calls here, so what you're going to do, tap on the plus icon next to the calls. So you add the calls option. Okay, you add the calls option and you can select whom you want to receive the calls from. So for example here, I will just put anyone, doesn't matter. You can choose whether you want from the contacts or anyone, you can choose that. I want to choose everyone. And then from who you can make calls to, I would say contacts or anyone. I'll just put anyone. I just want to be more general. Okay, and you can add any favorite phone numbers if you want to, you can add that. And then if you want like in-call options like keypad, speaker, so you can just turn that on if you want to. Okay, once that's done, you're going to do is click on the continue option here. So next, you have added the calls app. So select what are the apps you actually need for in the senior mode. I need, like for example, messages. So I'm going to do tap on messages. Tap on messages, and then you're going to receive message from anyone. I'm going to select anyone, and you're going to send messages to anyone. I'm going to select that. And then you can set up favorites, and you can also set this up if you want, like tap to hear the messages. So if you want to hear the messages, you can tap it. The conversation details, if you want, you can set it up. And you can turn these all options here. You have like, you can customize this based on your needs. Turn that on, hit on continue. Okay, and then next, what else do you want? So for example, if you want camera, you can add the camera option. So tap on the camera. Okay, and then what modes you need in camera, like photo, maybe selfie, and a video. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Then I'm going to do hit on continue. Okay, once this is done, next, you can go and add more apps if you want to. So for example, like any other apps here, if you see, you can just add it. So for example, whatever, you can just scroll all the way down here and choose whatever apps that you want to add. So for example, maybe WhatsApp. I would say WhatsApp is all important. So I'm going to add WhatsApp. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon here and then allow WhatsApp to access Bluetooth. Yep, allow, that's fine. And then click on continue. Okay, tap on continue. And then allow WhatsApp for reminders. You can allow this if you want to, and then click on continue. So you're just configuring your WhatsApp. Okay, and then allow WhatsApp to access speak recognition. Yep, you can allow it. Hit on continue, and then Face ID if you want to, you can allow, and then click on continue. The same thing, just have to give access to WhatsApp to whatever it wants access to. You can give access whatever you want to. Okay, and then click on continue again. The same thing you can do. For location, you can also do the same thing. Hit on continue, and camera, you can just add out. So all these it's going to ask you, so you can just choose based on your needs. All right, so that's fine. You can just do that, and once you have actually set it up, and you'll see that you have already set up these apps here. So if I go back here, see, I've got these are the 4 apps that's important for me in my senior mode that I want. So that's it, that's fine. I don't need any other. Then what you can do, once you're done with selecting the app, click on continue. Okay, and then here you can click on continue to proceed, and then unlocking. So do you want like assistive access, like do you want to set up like Face ID and passcode so do you want to like still have it, or you want to like set up passcode, or you don't want it? If you don't want it, you can click on this change security and remove it if you don't want it. But I'll just leave it as it is just for this video. So I'll just put it continue. That's fine. So this is the passcode that you're going to set up in order to activate and deactivate the senior mode. So this can be deferred to your phone's access code. That's fine. So I'm going to just put that up. Okay, just set it up. And then now you want to set up a recovery. I will just skip that, no need. And then exiting assistive touch. So to exit the senior mode, all you have to do is on your side button here. So you have your side button here, right? So you go to press this 3 times in order to exit or deactivate the senior mode here. So once that's done, click on continue, and then again, so it's now ready to use. The senior mode is now ready to use. You can enter, what you can do if you want to activate it right now, you can click start using activate, and now enter the passcode that you have set up to activate it. That's it, and you'll see that your phone is now entering the assistive access mode, which means the senior mode. Okay, so it's going to take just a little while just to like set it up and have everything ready for you. So once that's ready, so you can see here now, see, now this is my phone. So this is now in senior mode. I only have those important 4 apps here and nothing else is there. If I click on calls, see, I have the option to keypad, recent calls and contacts and all these things. As you can see, the text is bigger, screen is zoomed and all those things. So this is basically what it is, and this is how you use the senior mode. And if you want to exit the senior mode, all you have to do is 1, 2, 3, press it 3 times. It's going to ask you, tap on exit, and then plug in the passcode that you set up for the senior mode. So it's now exiting the senior mode. Okay, so click on it and this will now exit the senior mode, and that's it. And basically that's how you activate and deactivate the senior mode, and that's how you set up this senior mode for elderly people or seniors. And there you go, this has been activated and my iPhone is back to the normal mode. And that's basically pretty much it is. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.